Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have 3 characters in black outfit by Sasatoya and 2 high school girls by Osuyami Sanae. Next, we have 2 new game releases. Nina Akila Legal Eagle, a detective adventure game about investigating crimes and defending clients in court. Square Shape, a fourth wall-breaking labyrinth game where triangle sends square to look for circle. An icon pack of 229 unique fantasy icons for MV and MZ by Shikhashi. Some RPG music loops by Gerald M. Dorai. And 12 tracks of retro electronic and dance music by Snabish. In plugin releases for today, we have 2 MV and MZ plugins by TSR, The Northern Frog, a plugin that allows adding infinite overlays to maps and battles, and a plugin that allows using sprites for enemies with different motions and animations. And lastly, we have a guide by Mirai of Nikko Gakuen on fixing the crash issue when playtesting MV and MZ games on Apple's M1 macOS devices. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.